welcome back to Murad and Run, and in today's video I'm going to tell you guys why have I decided to move my company to UK. I've decided to shift my base from India permanently to UK. I started Finladder Private Limited as my first company in 2019. It's been 7 years. Then we started Get Unibound, where we started helping students with the admission process in different universities, and now I've decided that it's time for something big. You guys keep asking me, Murad bhai, aajkal kya naya chal raha hai? What's the next plan? This is the next plan. I'm going to tell you everything I'm thinking about. This is not a study abroad video. This is my personal story. Why have I decided to move my base? Kuch opportunities bhi hai students ke liye. And yeah, in general, what all was I facing in India? Okay, just for context, I come from a very normal family in India. I did not have powerful connections. Nobody around me was building global businesses. So I had no idea what was the correct path. When I started Finladder, I thought that I was doing the right thing. We didn't take funding because I thought, I want to make a bootstrap company. Didn't realize how important funding would be, how to raise funding. Honestly, didn't even know how to raise funding. If I had to categorize myself, I would still categorize myself as a struggling businessman because I don't make as much money. I'm happy, I get to travel, I get to help students, but with the reach that I have, people think that I'll be making a bank with the amount of traveling he does. I've built an audience of more than 1 million people across platforms. My videos have crossed 1 billion views. I've worked with global universities, but I don't make as much money. Then in the pursuit of building something big, मैंने decide किया शायद पढ़ाई करनी चाहिए. So I studied at Oxford and Stanford. And I started getting exposure of how global founders actually think. And that changed something in me completely. I realized something which my mentor told me. बहुत interesting है. हिंदी में अगर बोलो, मैंने उसको बोला था कि सर, I'm a very hard worker. मतलब मुझसे ज़्यादा hard work कोई नहीं कर सकता है. And उससे बहुत interesting चीज़ बोली. उससे बोला, Murad, which animal do you think is the hardest worker? Not sure, sir. And he said donkey. गधा सबसे ज़्यादा मेहनत करता है. And सबसे कम reward भी गधे को मिलता है. And that honestly stuck me somewhere because I realized I've been working my backside off and I've been missing a big leverage. That's geography, and that's why I'm moving my business to UK. Not because I think UK is perfect, not at all. It has a lot of problems. And not even because I feel like I want to escape India. And definitely not because UK is beautiful. Leverage जो आपको geography से मिलता है, that is unparalleled. 7 साल इंडिया में मैंने काम किया एंड जितना भी पैसा कमाया 7 साल से आज के टाइम पे यूके में 50% कम है क्योंकि मेरी करेंसी 50% से डिप्रिशिएट कर गई है. इतनी मेहनत करी, टैक्सेस 33% अलग, 18% जीएसटी अलग, जो मैंने पैसा फाइनली अपने पास बचाया 50% गॉन. 80 पे था पाउंड, आज 130 पे है पाउंड. And the next thing is credibility. Now I work with universities and people underestimate how much business is psychology. You need to understand this. If you're selling globally, a UK limited company instantly changes the perception in international clients' mind. Especially if you're working with US, European or Middle Eastern clients. Fair or unfair, it just changes things in people's mind. When I pitch a Middle Eastern university, Middlesex University, Dubai को मैं pitch करूँगा and I tell them कि I have a British company. Just saying that मैं British company को represent कर रहा हूँ gives me far more advantage as opposed to saying that I am based out of Dubai or India. I have a company based out of Dubai as well, Gulf Ladder. Or even if I say I'm based out of India, नहीं matter करता. This British company, just because of the credibility that comes with it, takes a huge leap. You know, I still remember setting up Finladder Private Limited in India. हम लोगों को रजिस्ट्रार के ऑफिस जाना था, उसको प्रूव करना था कि हमारे पास रेंट डीड है. कितने सारे डॉक्यूमेंट्स प्रूव करने थे एंड उसके बाद उसने हमारी फोटो ली थी. या इट वाज जस्ट इंसेनली हार्ड टू सेट अप एंड आई रिमेंबर जस्ट टू सेट अप द कंपनी मेरे को एक बंदे को रिश्वत देनी पड़ी थी जस्ट कि हमारा प्रोसेस स्टार्ट हो जाए. कंपनी हमारी सेटअप हमें करना है, किसी और को रिश्वत दे रहे थे जस्ट कि वो हमारी कंपनी सेटअप करके दे दे. बट नाउ अ क्रिएटर, कंसल्टेंट, एजेंसी ओनर, सोलो एंटरप्रेन्योर सिटिंग इन इंडिया can set up a company in UK, which is insane. Anyhow, in terms of the kind of company that I've decided opening, I've decided to open a limited company because it is a separate legal entity. It offers me protection, fundraising possibilities, उन सब में भी मेरे को काफ़ी ज़्यादा हेल्प करती है एंड मेरे पर्सनल एसेट्स को सिक्योर करती है बिकॉज इट्स अ सेपरेट लीगल एंटिटी. टैक्स एफिशिएंसी भी इसमें बहुत ज़्यादा मिलती है. इफ़ यू वांट टू कंसिडर ओपनिंग अ कंपनी इन यूके, यू कैन ओपन एनीथिंग. यू कैन ओपन अ पार्टनरशिप, एलएलपी, सोल ट्रेडर, बहुत सारे ऑप्शंस है डिपेंडिंग ऑन व्हाट सूट्स यू द बेस्ट. हमने बहुत सारे रीजंस के बारे में बात किया बट जो मेन रीज़न है उसके बारे में बात नहीं किया. देयर इज़ ऑल्सो an innovator founder visa in UK. Now this is for entrepreneurs who are really smart, set up tech companies, hardcore tech companies in UK. इसके अंडर within 3 years you get ILR and 5 साल के अंदर you can get a passport. UK में भी बात चल रही है 10 साल लगेगी passport मिलने में. But only if you have a genuine smart business idea, and I feel like this idea is perfect for this. At this point I would want to give a shout out to Awesome as well because honestly they made the process really simple. बेसिकली आपको चेक करना है कि आपकी कंपनी अवेलेबल है, नाम दैट यू वांट टू रजिस्टर इज दैट अवेलेबल और नॉट, एंड दे विल आस्क यू आर यू अ यूके रेजिडेंट. नो, आई वाजंट अ यूके रेजिडेंट एट दैट टाइम. दे आस्क यू हाउ वुड यू लाइक टू प्रोसीड. यू से दैट आई वांट टू इनकॉर्पोरेट अ लिमिटेड कंपनी या whichever company you want to incorporate with. Awesome. And yeah, उसके बाद I just answered a few more questions and they connected me with someone who helped me throughout the process, and अभी के लिए I've decided that they will be taking care of all my accounting, bookkeeping and all the different compliances. एक और important thing, I didn't need to fly to UK for this and that also saves a lot of money. You don't need to set up एक massive office setup की ज़रूरत नहीं होती है. Most of the incorporation process is actually done remotely now, and which makes it much easier for any of you guys to set it up as well. But at the same time, setting up a company is just step one. After incorporation, you still need actual infrastructure behind the business. Bank account opening बहुत ज़्यादा important होती है जिसके लिए in general you require a lot of paperwork. International clients receiving global payments या फिर अगर आपको किसी को पेमेंट करनी भी है, to set up a bank account you need काफ़ी ज़्यादा documents. मैंने अपना personal account Lloyds के साथ खुलवाया है. You usually require a registered address, VAT registration चाहिए होती है, प्रॉपर बुक कीपिंग चाहिए होती है, एनुअल फाइलिंग चाहिए होती है, अकाउंटिंग चाहिए होती है, कंप्लायंस चाहिए होती है. दिस इज़ वेयर फाउंडर्स यूजुअली गेट ओवरवेल्म्ड. मैं खुद हुआ था, बट अगेन अनदर प्लेस वेयर ओसम हेल्प्ड बिकॉज दे डू इट ऑल अंडर वन रूफ, तो वो काफ़ी ज़्यादा हेल्पफुल रहता है. Second major reason being access to international banking. Now I'm a company based in India and UAE as well. इंडिया से पैसा बाहर भिजवा कर दिखाओ. मतलब it is so insanely hard to send money outside India. On the other hand, if you have a UAE based bank account, you still are globally connected, but the kind of credibility that you get with a British bank, honestly, think about whichever country you want to send money in. With a British bank, you can. With an Indian bank, after 100 forms, they will say कि अब lunch time हो गया, बाद में आना. You have to be physically present in India majority of the transactions के लिए, and even after that, it is insanely hard to get that done. UAE में slightly possible, but then not उतनी international credibility. UK banks, insane credibility. Third reason being the next startup that I'm thinking of building would be a deep tech startup. क्या हवा चलती है आपकी कभी? Anyhow. It's a deep tech startup where I'm thinking of helping students figure out what to do in life. जिसके लिए फंडिंग की ज़रूरत होगी. इंडिया में फंडिंग रेज करना insanely hard. UK में there are schemes called SIES scheme. अब under this scheme people get tax benefit. Let's suppose someone invests £50,000 in your company and उसका टैक्स £100,000 का था. He gets 50% benefit of the money that he invested in your company. तो उसको वो 50% टैक्स नहीं भरने. तो उसका टैक्स लेट्स सपोज 100,000 बन रहा था, उसने आपकी कंपनी में 50,000 इन्वेस्ट किया, तो उसका £25,000 का टैक्स कम हो जाएगा. तो he just has to pay £75,000 का टैक्स. So there are many incentives for people to invest in startups, and as a result, raising funding in UK is much easier. way much more easier than India. अब हम लोगों ने ये तो बात कर लिया कि मूव करने वाले, बट एक्चुअली करने क्या वाले. बेसिकली हेल्पिंग स्टूडेंट्स फिगर आउट कि उन लोगों को लाइफ में क्या करना चाहिए, एंड नॉट ओनली स्टूडेंट्स, एनीवन एंड एवरीवन, विद द हेल्प ऑफ डेटा कि पास्ट में क्या काम किया है, आगे फ्यूचर में डिमांड किस चीज़ की है, रिवर्स इंजीनियर करके कि कहाँ पे आप बेस्ट सूट हो सकते हो. इफ एनी वन ऑफ यू गाइज इज इंटरेस्टेड इन जॉइनिंग माई स्टार्टअप, अभी we are at very early ideation stage and setting up stage. Also, setting up process is relatively very easy. I'm going to talk about that as well. But you can go to the description, fill the form, and let us know how you can help us with this startup. And I might be looking forward to hiring some of you guys from that farm. Well, more or less, that's the next phase in life. कुछ recommendations होंगे, suggestions होंगे, please let me know in the comment section. काफ़ी boring सी वीडियो हो सकते हैं काफ़ी सारे लोगों के लिए, so sorry for that. If you do really want to work on this idea, again description में जाके fill the form, that would also be really helpful. And हाँ यार, if you are also a business owner, check out Awesome. They're insanely good, and also sponsoring this video, which I really appreciate them for, because they've helped through and through. And इसके अलावा बस यार, I just sometimes feel like younger Murad would have never realized that he would have set up a company in India, then Dubai, and then UK. आगे का पता नहीं. लाइफ में क्या कहाँ से पहुँच जाते कभी पता ही नहीं चलता. बट या आई फील लाइक until you keep striving for the best, things happen. Like ये पानी अभी यहाँ की तरफ जा रहा है, वो बतख उल्टा जा रहा है पानी के, बिकॉज वो मेहनत कर रहा है. भाई बहुत ज़्यादा मोटिवेशन हो गई, ये तो ये बोलना भी नहीं था, इतनी मोटिवेशन बहुत मोटिवेशन हो गई. But yeah, thank you so much for supporting this channel, guys, and subscribe karo if you feel like these videos are useful. Also, with Awesome's accounting, you get 10% off, so do give it a try.